This is what we know of tie-dye. Mess, dye, ink, water, time-consuming, hoping to get what we want. What if I told you that there was a much, much, much easier way and you don't have to do any of this? Sorta. Roll that intro.
T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, tshirthelpdesk.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about the easy way to tie-dye. All right, that means tie-dyeing without all the mess, the ink, wearing gloves, and hoping that you're going to get what you set out to get. Now, guys, I do realize that there are people who really like tie-dyeing. And if you're one of those people, by all means, knock yourself out. This is for those people who want to add tie-dyes to their t-shirt line, but they don't want to go through all the mess. Now, guys, unless you've been living under a rock, you should know that tie-dye tees are like all the rage right now. They've been trending for a while. And if you've ever seen any of my trend reports, right, you can check out the cards in one of these corners over here, you will know that I warned you about this a while ago. And not to toot my own horn, but let's get into tie-dye. Yes, guys, tie-dye is still here, you know, and in the same colors that I'm talking about, and in the purple and gold, all right? So, guys, the easy way to tie-dye tees is actually not to tie-dye tees at all. It's actually to buy the t-shirts already tie-dyed, done, ready for you, okay? So that means that all you do is buy them, take them out of the box, print them, sell them, and count your money. Now, guys, you know who the people responsible for something this cool, right? Bella+Canvas. Check it out. Okay, guys, this is the Bella+Canvas white and sky blue tee. Here's the bottom hem. This thing is so nice. That's the back. But what you're gonna notice is the softness, how soft it is, all right? Okay, so let's head over to Bella+Canvas.com. Let's put in tie-dye. You're gonna see these two styles pop up. This is style 3100RD unisex tie-dye tee. It comes in the white, gray, black, the white olive oil, and the white sky blue. Beautiful. But they have the sweatshirt. Check this out. This is style 3945RD unisex tie-dye pullover, and this thing is gorgeous. It also comes in the white, gray, and black, white olive oil, and white sky blue. And they also have the rainbow colorway. But let's get an up close and personal look. All right, now this is the sweatshirt, man. This thing is amazing. Just look at it. And, you know, just take a look at the way all of these are tie-dyed. And once again, this one soft as well. All right, let's get that bottom hem in there. I mean, these things are amazing. Now, you may be thinking, all right, I mean, they look cool like that, but what will they look like printed? Thought you never ask. So I fired up the old iColor 560 and got to printing. I printed this really cool boxing graphic, this ice cream graphic, and this death row graphic. Then I went through the process of marrying, printing, letting cool, and then the finishing press. And here you have these awesome shirts. So let's go through them. You have Death Row, my personal favorite right here. Shout out to Snoop Dogg for buying Death Row Records. And we have the Sweet Science shirt. I'm a really huge boxing fan. And this one is so cool. This is the ice cream with the ice cream cone with the eyeball, man. So, man, just showing you the different things that you can do with these trendy shirts. And guys, get out there and make it happen, Captain. So if you want to take your t-shirt line to a whole nother level, go down there and check out those tie-dye blanks in the description box. But guys, I fooled around with you guys long enough. I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Start a t-shirt business or die trying, and check out some more of these videos that'll help you on your t-shirt journey. Peace. Knock yourself out. But they'll go. Now, guys,